Hello, my name is Ching, and I'm working on LongAI, private large language models for companies. Recently, we've pivoted to directing our focus on developing a conversational analytics bot, where we're using large language model that's hosted on the company premise to analyze data. That's data on their CSVs or data on their databases. So you can ask the large language model questions, and the large language model will then create SQL or Python code on the fly, then directly execute that code to give you the analytics answer. And so the result is when you want to find some data, usually you go to your analyst or your data analyst and ask them that question. They'll dig up the answer for you. Maybe it takes an hour to half a day to pull up the answer. They have to write the SQL code, they have to go to the database and make sure the data is correct. But instead, that leader can now go to the conversational bot and ask the same question, and in 30 seconds, they get the same answer. And so it speeds up the time of delivering those insights dramatically by at least tenfold. And it's much easier to do so as well, and much cheaper. So we're building out this bot, and we're making sure that it can be hosted on premise, because a large pain point for companies is that these large language models are hosted by third parties, and they can't trust sending their data across to those third parties. Additionally, since we're operating here in China, we have this added challenge, which is OpenAI is blocked in China. And so we need to make sure that we can use large language models that are legal in China. And so most of those are going to be Chinese-based ones or open source models, which are still performing better than the Chinese-based large language models. So we're building this platform to host large language models on premise within companies, and building out the infrastructure and the front end so that leaders and people in the workforce can use it for conversational analytics. And hopefully that'll speed up the workflows by 10x. Thank you.